In a multiple camera setup, several cameras simultaneously record or broadcast a scene in a video. When making videos, using multiple cameras enables you to simultaneously capture the same scene from various angles. You can combine the various angles during the editing process to give the scene movement or different viewpoints. Even though it can speed up the shooting process, using multiple cameras requires more setup time than using just one. A multi-camera setup can be very challenging to execute if done incorrectly. A poor setup might make it challenging to edit the video together, necessitating potential retakes. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the things to keep in mind while doing a multi-camera shoot. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Camera placement. A multi-camera shoot requires careful consideration of camera placement. Camera placement is crucial for getting all the desired perspectives while avoiding blocking the view of the other cameras. The camera on the right will probably be visible to the camera on the left and vice versa if you have a camera positioned directly to the right of your actors and another camera positioned directly to the left. Number 2. Different shots. Generally, you'll need to have at least one fixed camera in a given area. This serves as your main camera. Other fixed cameras are also an option, depending on the viewpoint you want to present. Consider including a crossing shot, which is when the camera pans across the scene while it is being shot. This adds motion and can alter how your audience perceives the scene. Consider using one camera exclusively to capture up-close shots of your actors for use in the editing process. Some of the types of shots are 1. 2 sizes. This is a technique where you use AB camera to position it close to an A camera and point it in the same general direction as the A camera, but using a different lens. 2. Cross shots. This shot has the camera over character A's shoulder onto character B, and over character B's shoulder onto character A. This is also known as the 180-degree shot. 3. Insert shots. Using inserts, such as close-ups of people's hands dealing with props, is a quick and easy way to make use of a second camera. Lighting on such shots isn't always critical, they don't need to be close-mic'd, and they're easy to shoot alongside a two-shot or single. 4. Splinter unit shot. This is the method of sending the B camera away to get something completely unrelated to what A camera is doing. Number 3. Difference in shots. Aside from the angle and perspective, different cameras will reveal other differences in your scene. For example, if the lighting is different on one side of the set than on the other, your shot from one camera may appear darker or lighter than your shot from another. Unless you want consistent light, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. This can be taken care of by adjusting the camera before the shoot or while editing the videos during post-production. Number 4. Shoot back-to-back. It is best to film all scenes that take place on the same set or location back-to-back. This reduces the number of times the sets need to be set up and taken down. To save time, shoot scenes with specific actors as close together as possible. Most of the time, this means shooting your film or video out of order from the script, but that's how most directors shoot movies, so it's perfectly normal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.